Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this very simple radical equation. We're asked to find the real value or values of x in this equation, the square root of 2x plus 9 equal to x plus 1. All right, before you start solving, it is important to observe the domain of this equation. You should know that the content of a square root will always be greater or equal to 0, which implies that 2x plus 9 has to be greater or equal to 0. And if you take 9 to the other side and divide both sides by 2, you have x to be greater or equal to negative 9 divided by 2, which is negative 4.5 equivalent. And you should know that what a square root produced must be positive. Yes, this has to be positive as well. So x plus 1 must be positive, which implies that x has to be greater or equal to negative 1. So compare these two. On the number line, if you're coming to the left, you have to meet this number before this. Therefore, we have to consider this one. Yes, this is our domain. X has to be greater than negative 1. So now let us solve. You have a square root of 2x plus 9 equal to x plus 1. I want you to square both sides, please, just to eliminate this outermost or square root. This cancel, you have 2x plus 9. This is equal to, expand this. First term squared, that is x squared. 2 times x times 1 will give us 2x. 1 squared is 1. This is the expansion. From left to right, you can subtract 2x. So you have 9 or x squared plus 1 equal to 9. Now subtract 1 from both sides. X will be equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Take square root of both sides. You have x equal to plus or minus the square root of 8. A square root of 8 is the same thing as 2 times square root of 2. Therefore, x is either equal to 2 times square root of 2 or x equal to negative 2 times square root of 2. But remember, do you know how we got this? 8 is the same thing as 4 times 2, but square root of 4 is 2. This is why we have 2 outside. But remember, x has to be greater or equal to negative 1. So anything greater than negative 1 or equal to 1 can be 0, 1, 2, 3, which are all bigger than this one. Therefore, this cannot be our solution. Even if you plug it back here, negative 2 root 2 plus 1 will give us a negative value. And remember, the output can never be negative. So this is our solution. If you like, you can test it in the main equation, but I will not do that.